Hello, children. This is the second general knowledge class I'm going to do with you. Let's give a caption. I love my India.
I love India. I love my India.
I love my India. I love my India. Sajan mera India. Sajan mera India.
So it was a musical beginning. Our country was named Bharat after Bharata, the fearless son of King Dushyanta and Shakuntala. With the coming of the Muslims, the name Bharat changed to Hindustan. Europeans, however, gave it the name India because of the country of the river Indus. India is the second most populous and seventh largest country in the world. Every sixth person in the world is an Indian. That means every minute about 50 babies are born in India. Just imagine. The Constitution of India was prepared under the guidance of Bhim Rao Ambedkar, who was popularly known as Baba Sahib. It took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days for the best minds of the country to prepare the constitution. Tiranga was adopted as national flag on July 22, 1947. It was hosted for the first time on 15th August 1947. Here we will read about some people who started movements in India. The first person is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He started Swadeshi movement to oppose the partition of Bengal by the British in 1950. The British wanted to divide the Hindus and the Muslims on the basis of their religions. Then the next person is Sundar Lal Bahuguna. He started the Chipko movement in the Himalayan region of Uttarakhand to prevent cutting down of forest trees. The activities of this movement still work to save environment. The next person is Ela Bhatt. She started Seva to help poor self-employed women workers. They earn a living through their own labor or to establish small businesses. The next one is Medha Patkar. She started Narmada Bachao Andolan to protest against the construction of large dams on the Narmada River, which would displace millions of poor people from their homes. The next one is Varghese Kuren. He started Amul Cooperative to benefit village dairy farmers by removing middlemen in the milk trade. This cooperative now makes a large variety of milk products. Now this person is Vinoba Bhave. He started the Bhudan movement. He appealed to the rich landowners to give their land to the poor and landless. This movement was a success. Now we will learn about the 15 extremes in India. The first one is the biggest state according to area, which is Rajasthan. Then number 2, the biggest state according to the population is Uttar Pradesh. Then number 3, the longest river is Ganga. Then number 4, the highest peak is K2. Then number 5, the largest lake is Wular Lake. Then number 6, the highest dam, which is Bakra Nangal. Number 7 is the wettest place, Mausinram. Number 8, the largest glacier, it is Siachen Glacier. Number 9, the largest desert, which is Thar. The largest delta, the Sundarbans. The coldest place is Ladakh. The number 12, the highest place is it's the highest falls, Jog Falls. The longest beach is Marina Beach. Number 14, the biggest mosque is Jama Masjid. Number 15, the smallest state according to area is Goa. So we must end here. Next we will meet in the next GK class, the third class. Bye.